Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome once again. This is a continuation of the video that I had created. So Lincoln and some of the other people that do not, you can't see you want to know where to get the scholarship. So first thing is first, you need to come here. As you can see, this is the homepage. Go to your browser, type in helb.co.ke. Then it's going to take you to this page. As you can see, we have products, repay loan, online services, partner with us, resources, and downloads. So here you can get resources to anything that you want to know about. So if you want to know how press releases, financial reports, yeah, you can come here and check them. So there's also another place that you can always come back and check. So here you can see there's how you need to apply. You can come here and apply. And here, this is the timeline. As you can see, we have the student portal, undergraduate loan, Afya Elimu loan, HELB loans, TVET loans, okay? So you're going to come and choose based on what loan you need, okay? So HELB loans, you click here. TVET loans, you click here. Afya Elimu loans, you click here. Undergraduate loan, you click here. Student portal, this is the portal. It's going to take you to where we created that. And if you didn't watch that video, I'll be linking it in this video. So be sure to check it out. It will show you how to navigate the student portal. So now, here, these are the deadlines. So you have to make sure that you follow these deadlines, because if you don't apply within this time period, you're not going to get that loan. Okay. So we have the bursary, this is the scholarship. Lincoln, I hope you're seeing. You can see right here we have the TVET scholarship, loan, and bursary. But before that, you need to make sure that your university is either public. You need to first look at, is it public or is it private? So if your university is private, it's gonna be so difficult for you to get the loan. So maybe you need to go to their offices, and I told you need to go to Hazina Center. If you don't know where Hazina Center is, it is just after Jivanji. Behind Jivanji, you need to cross that road, and then you come to on your, how do I explain it? So after Jivanji, you'll just see a building, a tall building right there. It's called Hazina Center. If you look at it, you'll see the CHRM there. Don't go to CHRM, just go to that building. Then ask the soldier right there, go to 5th floor. You're going to get the office of the HELB loans. They are going to help you there. So I'll give you a list of the schools that are eligible to apply here. So you can check them out. We have 140 something schools. Those are the schools that are eligible to apply. So now you come here. We have students, loanees, employers, institutions, okay? Now, you need to look, are you studying in a public or private university or a TVET college? As I told you, you need to come here. You can read more about it here, okay? Self-service, you come here and click on this arrow. It's going to take you to that self-service options, okay? So if we click on it, you can see, you can come here, you can use this USSD. There's their contact number here, or you can go to Google Play or Apple Store and you're going to download them. Okay. Now I'm going to show you another way that is so easy for you to go apply. So now you wanted the loan, the scholarship. If you come here, you're going to click on Learn More. If you have your phone, scroll down up to the point where they say HELB scholarship. It should be on your dashboard. On your dashboard, it should be there. So make sure you scroll down, you'll find there's HELB loans, there's HELB scholarship, and there's partner funds. Okay. So you're going to come here to HELB scholarship and you're going to click on this. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to a page where you're going to be able to apply. So you're going to click on the postgraduate scholarship, and then from there you're going to fill in the details that are there. But you have to read. For you to get this, they say they only award scholarship to pursuing postgraduate, master's or PhD. in a local public or private universities recognized by the Commission of University of Education, right? So you make sure that, excuse me, they can loan you from 200 to 450 for masters and PhD. So you need to check the eligibility criteria. What are the things that are needed? And then from there, you're going to come, they'll show you how to apply. It's going to take you to the student portal. Definitely, you have to create a profile on the student portal. Make sure you create your profile. And once it's at 100, that's when you can be able to apply for these loans. Okay? So you wanted to get the scholarship, make sure you've gone through that and check that through. Also, if you cannot get it from there, you can come here. You see, like, just right under your tab, either is it a phone, is it your laptop, you're going to see right here we have the products. Go to the product section. You can click on HELB loans or scholarships. If you click on scholarships, it's going to take you to the same page that has taken me here. So there are three ways to get to the page. You can either come here to the products right on top or down below here. So you can come here to right on top, these products, or you can go scroll down to your page. Scroll down to your page. Excuse me. Scroll down and you're going to find the scholarship. Click on it. It's going to take you there. Okay. If you're still finding, if you're still finding it difficult for you to maneuver through the tab, just make sure that you go visit their offices. I'll write the offices down in the I will write the office where they are in the description down below. So make sure to like this video, share this video, and also comment if you did not understand what I said. I'll be more happy to help you. And if you cannot understand it even better, I can even schedule a Google Meet where I can discuss with you and help you apply this, because it's so easy to do. It's nothing complicated. It's so easy. I hope you've understood and now you know how to navigate. But before I go, let me show you where the list of let me show you the list of schools that you need to use. So as you can see, this is the list of schools that is allowed. So make sure you go through this list. I'm going to scroll it very slow so that you're able to see where your school lies. Okay. So make sure you go through this list. And then after going through this list, it's going to show you if your school is really there, and then you can apply. Okay. But if you're going using COOPS, then it's just easy. So that's it. You can pause and watch, because I could read this, but it's better for me to just scroll for you to see them. It's 140 something. Okay. So make sure that your school is there. I'm gonna go through it one more time. Okay. Make sure your school is on the list, because those are the eligible schools. Mine is not even there because it's private. But I'm gonna find a way to go through that. Okay. So I hope this video is helpful, and if you found this video helpful, please feel free to like this video, share the video, and please comment down below with any concerns, any questions. I'll get right back to you. So without saying so much, until next time, bye bye.